Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? I hope my microphone's working. I don't know. I didn't try it. Let's see. It is February 8th of 2025. We are back for yet another stream. How was it already the 8th? What the hell? Feels like it was just January. What happened? Let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we will jump into things. Oh, my chat has scrolled off the top. Dang it. Well, fortunately, we have the chat right here. DDelsp was first today. Hello, hello. And I did not log in my dashboard. And we have a hype train going. What have you done? What have you done, chat? What? Oh. We've got DDelsp, who has resubbed at tier 3 for 50 months. Holy shit. That's so many months. Thank you for your continued support. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And we should also have Beldathis, who is also resubbed at 46 months. Oh, we got our hype train emote. I got this very obnoxious button mashing one. Oh, looks like damn it, who is that? Beldathis also got the button mashing one. Nice, nice. Yes, let me continue saying hi to everyone who's here. Pandoxer's also here. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. JJMC, welcome back. Chandler, welcome to the stream. Hello. Hello to you as well. Albusfly, hello, hello. Trugliadof, welcome to the stream. Hello. Hello to you as well. Well, that says, important question, is the woman in Carmen Sandiego? So I shared a vivid dream that I remembered. It's pretty rare that I remember dreams, but I guess I will just repeat the story real quick because it's not very long. This was last night's vivid dream. I was somewhere in San Francisco walking down the sidewalk. A woman parks her red and black motorcycle nearby. She's wearing a matching black and red leather jacket and pants. She removes her helmet and shakes out her long black hair. Her face is familiar, but I do not know her. She pauses to inspect a nearby shop, then waves to me. Excuse me, do you have a minute? For you, I have eternity. She explains that she needs to show me some artwork at the local shop and calls me over to inspect it. Don't you think the shading could be improved a little bit here? She points at an angelic figure drawn on a window. The drawing is actually two panes of glass sandwiched together. You can swivel the outer pane to remove the wings, revealing just a normal person. She asks if I have a pencil so we can fix it ourselves. Unfortunately, I'm only carrying a pen. No worries. I can meet you here tomorrow at the same time? Of course. I'll make it worth it. I'll be the A tier Y. I nod in understanding, assuming that must mean something good, but having no idea what it means. She skips off down the sidewalk. I glance at my watch, and it says 0911. Anyway, that's my weird-ass dream that I happen to remember. I don't think it was Carmen Sandiego. No, definitely not. Caleb FJ, hello, hello. How you doing? Who's this here? Misty's nuts! Welcome back! It's been a bit. I hope you're doing well. Hello, hello. Senpaz is also here. Hello, hello. Misty's Nuts says greetings, Anthony and Anthonyers. Belwad is also here. Hello, hello. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Senpaz says that's crazy. There are only 12 months, but I got so many more. Yeah. Right? Patrick OMG says MD string that join care ord care -3 for character in this. God. What could this be? H -3. Oh, I'm not gonna try and figure it out. Never mind. I was gonna assume that something interesting. I was gonna try and brain this, but the special characters, I'm not so sure what those are gonna be. Panixer says helloing from Austria instead of Brazil now. Oh, nice, nice. I don't think I've thanked you yet, but your interview and negotiation tips were crucial. Nice, congratulations. Misty's Nuts says you're a hard man to find. Me? I'm in the same spot most days, most weekends. Oh, Twitch sent me a notification for the hype train. Okay, cool. Why is my phone buzzing so much? Buzz, 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 buzz. My dad is trying to rip music from CDs, and I don't know. John Lean says, I'm a hard man as well. Aha, we have exactly the emote for that. Nope, not this one. I almost bongoed at you instead of this one. Okay, anyway. We have 2 things to do today, at least. Well, I have 12 things to do from my inbox. I guess I'll show you the easy one first. Which is I have been... How do I pop out button? I have been renewed for the GitHub Stars program, which is what this plaque is on the wall back there. Plaque thing. Originally 2022. So this is my, I guess, third year. But basically GitHub selects like top 70-ish people on the platform to be part of this special program where I get a bunch of insider stuff and makes my GitHub way buggier and I provide early feedback on stuff and blah 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 blah. But yeah, I don't know. I'm I guess a little, I mean, it feels nice to be awarded this again, but at the same time I don't feel like I've really put in significant effort to deserve this. I've been kind of taking a step back from open source, and yeah, I do still use GitHub a lot. Granted, I do contribute to open source indirectly through content production, so I don't know, feels nice. Anyway, pat myself on the back. I'm a GitHub star again. Okay, I wanted to make sure I didn't scroll down too far. Yeah, because there's some personal information at the end. So glad I didn't scroll down too far enough. But anyway, I want to start with that. He also says, I finally found a good use for banned words, so I don't have to write things like a non-technical person for our sales kickoff. Yeah. Yeah. I have heard it's pretty good at taking overly technical writing and making it sound dumb. Misty's Net says we're being observed by GitHub. Yes, we all are. They've actually told me a bunch of times, like, hey, don't show our preview products on your stream, and I'm like, how the fuck could I possibly avoid it? Like, what do you want me to do? Not use GitHub? And so, I mean, if they didn't want me to show them on stream, they should approach that in a completely different way. But anyway, did I click record? I did. Good. I want to talk about open source since last time. The first is just, we did this on stream. I don't know why no one has reviewed it yet, but shrugs. Also, this is like, I really don't like, this sounds really scary, but merge is not an allowed merge method in this repository. This branch must not contain merge commits. I don't think it does. Yeah, it definitely doesn't. So don't know what this spooky message is, but whatever. It is what it is. Ismaga says, hello. I'm going down the rabbit hole of packaging my app into Debian. Kind of lost. Oh no. Is it Python Debian? Because DH Python's not terrible. But if it's not, can't help you. I'm actually not very good at Debian packaging myself. I'm more better at adapting other packages and porting them to different distributions. Spyro says, all admin of code stars and multi-year GitHub star. What's the next star goal, right? I don't know. I don't know. What says, how did your Sunday evening go? Oh, I got sick. I got sick, so I had to reschedule. But my Tuesday evening went fine, so yeah. I got like food poisoning. I figured out what the food poisoning is because I got it again. I got a new multivitamin like 2 weeks ago, and I have been really inconsistent about taking it. But I took it on Sunday, and I don't know if you remember on stream, but I was like dying. Like, oh, I feel like death. Oh, my insides are clawing out. It was terrible. It was just like, wow. So I ended up canceling my evening on Sunday. And then it happened again yesterday. So I've at least identified, oh, it's those fucking multivitamins, throwing those out, getting different ones. PC Magus, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. The merge command is probably because you're out of date with the base branch. Maybe. I don't know. It's in Go? Oh. Yeah, Go packaging on Debian is real funky because they do like all these wacky source packages because Go is like, meh, static link everything, and Debian is like, but no. So that's gonna be fine. Misty's Nut says an actual star is next. Yes, I'm gonna own a star. Silly Laird, hello, hello, how you doing? Alpine packaging is so much easier. Yeah, that's because they don't give a shit. Misty's Nut says multivitamins are a bit too spray and pray, I think. Yeah, I'm probably allergic to whatever filler was in it. Or I didn't even check, like maybe the multivitamin was like meat based and like my stomach was just like, what the fuck are you doing? We don't eat this here. And then punished me for it. S1 Cube, thank you for the resub at 45 months. Pog indeed. Hello, hello. How you doing? I hope you're doing well. Appreciate your continued support. And then OpenSource says last time, I ran an all repos autofixer to upgrade all my workflows because it turns out that even if you don't use the actions cache step, if it's present in the workflow, GitHub won't start, even if it gets skipped. This kind of makes sense because I know how their architecture works. They basically scan the workflow file up front and then load all the things that they need before the workflow even starts, and they pull all the Docker images that you need before it even starts. So that's kind of why Docker steps really suck in GitHub. But that's their backwards compatibility for GitHub Actions v1. But basically ran one command and did a big ol' all repos sed. Canceled this one because someone else did it for me. Oh, I had another thing where I gotta follow up with GitHub because something's really fucky with. I don't know why I didn't talk about this last time. Something's really fucky with marketplace and enterprise apps, where sometimes if you upgrade your organization account from a normal org to an enterprise org, GitHub will just lose all of your marketplace subscriptions. And so one of my customers did that and then was like, what the fuck? Why does my app say it's free tier? And I was like, that's weird because on my end it says free tier also, and GitHub says it's free tier also. But your screenshot shows that it's a paid plan, and I'm like, what the fuck? Why? So I wrote this little script to audit all of the existing marketplace plans. This just iterates through the entire API, and if something were out of sync, it would complain and then fix it there. I didn't actually do the fix, but because they were all fine. But I wanted to make sure everything where's it out, because 150 is usually what do we do here. Nice. Woosa's on a 5-stream streak. Nice. But yeah, I ran this script and confirmed that their account didn't exist, and then I was like, talk to support, Lamau. Go twice. Yeah, what is going on here? Why is the header here twice? Have I just like confused GitHub in a weird way? Also, it goes away. Weird. Anyway, not important. Yeah, and then I also noticed while writing that script that there were a bunch of scripts that I just wasn't using. Like this is for AWS role assumption, and I just don't use this anymore because it's all done through Terraform. I had this requeue script, which is now just done through the web UI, and this was for a backfill, and I ran the backfill years ago, so I was able to just clean up some dead scripts. But yeah, that's open source since last time, and closed source to some extent. But Chicklaw says, do you manually go through and merge all the pull requests after you run an all repos autofixer? I do. I really enjoy clicking the merge button, even though I realize I could automate it. There's a certain amount of satisfaction to just clicking merge over and over and over. Spaceberry, hello. In case somebody does not get it the first time. What are you referring to? Also, welcome back. Good to see you again. Yeah. Let's do the dead snake stuff first, since that's gonna be the more annoying thing to fix, probably. Yeah, 3.13 and 3.14 are failing. So let's see. It's probably a merge conflict, given it's the update that failed. What file? Liblocale? What? Applying locale module. Well, that's an interesting one. I don't know that I've seen that one before. Not dead. The other one, dead snakes. We'll get to dead later. Just gonna delete that and reclone it. Hi, 3.13. I'm guessing this is the same merge conflict in both of them. Let me make sure we're on latest here. Run books, meta GBP. I don't remember what the command is. Update, right? Really. Spaceray says, hey, Anthony, good to see you too. Yo, I'm here. We got it. And Dexter says, satisfying things. All green pre-commit, emptying the trash bin, and clicking merge. Yeah. Yeah. Silly Laird says, I have a cow for you. A cow? Like a copy on right? What do you mean a cow? What does it mean? What does it mean? Oh, that's a weird one. Did not rebase cleanly. To cancel this, to continue, resolve the rebase conflicts and exit 0. Okay. Liblocale, what is your problem? What? Well, now I gotta figure out what the actual patch is. Dead Snakes Pi 3.13. Patches slash locale module. So it removes. Oh, it changes lowercase UTF to uppercase UTF-8. And it looks like upstream added univ.utf8. Let's see. C Python. Well, FF only. Moo says Senpos. Yeah. Never said it was real. Ah, there we go. Victory says, have you ever considered using a trackball mouse between the splits of your keyboard? I have, but I don't like trackball mice. I feel like I mean they feel really cool to be like shoop pump and like have the cursor land in exactly the spot where you want it to. But like I find them really impractical, at least for me. Git log -p liblocale.py. Update the locale alias mapping. Updated c.utf8 to c.utf8 to enus.utf8. Removed univ and universal. Oh boy. So those are just fucking gone? Yeah. I mean, I think we can just drop this patch then. I found a trackball useful in tight spaces. Oh. Okay. I think I'm just gonna drop this patch. This seems not correct to me. Because I don't think enus UTF-8 is fuck, I don't care. But we can just do get rebase skip that patch, then exit 0. And then in theory that will do the thing, right? So the fuck? Why? Oh no, here we go. I was like, why do we see a bunch of patches? Do not map UTF-8, UTF-8 to UTF, which is not a known encoding for glibc. Okay. Yeah, I guess we don't need that anymore. Cool. So then we'll do the same thing in 3.14. Okay, that was easy. Deadsnakes pi 314. Meta GBP update. Space says I don't like moving my right hand between keyboard and mouse, so I was considering alternative solutions. Oh, I see. That makes sense. I'm okay moving the mouse. I've been doing it for decades, and I don't feel like it's that big of a deal. Now what? Asking about ripping settings. My brother will help him. Wraith Within, hello, hello, how you doing? Amir says, do you use Vim? No, I don't use Vim, nor do I use Vim motions. Like, hello, 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 welcome to the stream. Let's make sure this is the same patch. It is. Get rebase skip, then exit 0. God, this is so much easier to maintain than it used to be. Oh, that was so easy. That was so easy, so nice, so easy. Love that for me. Cool. Very cool. Big plays. The fuck is ISO 8859? Locale dot, what is it? No. Oh, no, that's not what I want. I want encodings. Encodings dot normalize encoding. This -1. Huh. I mean, this seems like a strict downgrade. What is this character set? Oh, it's fucking Latin 1. Aha, not gonna click on this. What's the difference between this and Latin 1? Oh, nothing. They're literally the same thing. Yeah, this seems like a strict downgrade. Oh, you can't even see it. They moved from UTF-8 to ISO 8859-1. This is Latin 1. Latin 1 kind of bad. This is weird. A weird choice. A very weird choice. This also seems weird. Like, why is this now ENUS? And then he's anti-Latin. Well, Latin 1 is basically a racist encoding. It's a single byte encoding that doesn't encapsulate most of the character alphabet. Misty's Nut says, I kind of like it as a Euro peasant. Latin 1 as a Euro peasant. I mean, it's very Anglo-centric. It can represent Romance languages, and that's about it. I feel like we are in the modern era, and we should just reject every encoding that is not UTF-8. Fuck this UTF-32 little endian bullshit. Get the fuck out of here. Everything should be UTF-8. UTF-7? What the hell are you? Go away. We don't need you. UTF-16 big endian? No. The hell? Get out. Everything should be UTF-8. Latin 1? Absolutely not. CP1252? Absolutely not. ASCII? Maybe ASCII can stay for very, very specific reasons, but everything else should get the fuck out. That's my not even hot take character encodings. Like, that is done. Dependabot. Oh my god, what the alright, we're gonna do Dependabot real quick. Apparently Freeman RS is mad about Dependabot. Tenshk, hello. Oh wait, I forgot how to say your name. You told me last time. I'm gonna go with Tenshk. Yeah. I agree with UTF-8, however, years of existing taught me to be well versed in the ISO encodings. Yeah. Yeah. Latin 1 is nice in that it can round trip every byte. CP1252 can't. For instance, how do I do this? Bytes range 256. Dot encode Latin 1 dot decode. Or no, I gotta decode first. Decode Latin 1 dot encode Latin 1. Latin 1 can round trip every byte. CP1252 cannot. This, I believe, is still the default English encoding on Windows. Codec failed. Care map, yeah. There's like 4 bytes that it can't decode. Range 256. Let's try bytes. Not decode CP1252. Unicode decode error. Ah, shit. I didn't want it to actually print those. Damn it. Alright, let's try it again. Why did it print them? That's so annoying. Okay. So, oh, sorry. It's not 4 bytes. It's 5 bytes in CP1252 that cannot be encoded. Why these 5 bytes? I don't fucking know. That's how they decide the codec. UTF-0 more like? Yeah. Belwada says, writing Spanish with English autocomplete on mobile is funny. Will autocorrect Año to Ano. Release Ano Nuevo. Happy new ass. That's pretty good. SMQ says, when full-time Anthony reacts to programming language changes, proposed changes, programming languages, and open source streams. I mean, honestly, I do find it pretty entertaining to just go to the bug tracker of CPython and just scroll through some of this shit. The doc-m command doesn't completely state how the code is looked up. Does it not? Doesn't it say it uses runpy? That seems pretty straightforward to me, although I'm pretty sure it's down here. Yeah, search sys.path. And I'm pretty sure it says that it uses runpy in here. Yeah, see also runpy. You just... What? But bro, you just need to scroll down. Anyway, I find these are more interesting, the pull requests, than anything else. Pathlib.path.copy implementation, who cares? Deprecation warning of loader.load module. Oh, is this finally gonna get deprecated? This thing's been deprecated for, well, it's been soft deprecated for a long time, but now deprecated in 3.10. Ah, another Jericho too aggressive deprecation policy. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be. Oh, it's deprecated in 3.4. Okay, I thought it was deprecated a long time ago. Yeah, that makes sense. Accept bytes in bytes.fromhex, bytearray.fromhex. Does it not accept bytes? That seems like it should. What did it used to do? Just stir? This is what it does. It only accepts stir. That's kind of funky. Okay, anyway, I could do this for hours, but we have shit to do. Mustax is hello. How you doing? What are we building today? Well, we already fixed dead snakes. Now we're trying to do what? What do I have to do here? I have to upgrade some fucking library that Dependabot could not upgrade for me. Gix work tree estate. Which surely is just upgrading this thing. So what do I do? Cargo upgrade. Cargo upgrade incompatible. There we go. That should do the thing, right? Get diff cargo datamo cargo build. Does it still build? I guess I should do cargo upgrade and recursive or whatever to get my sub packages. I think that's a thing. Is that a thing? Cargo upgrade. Recursive. Yeah. Recursive. Did it not do these other ones? It did not. Of course not. Why would it do these ones? Why would it just ignore recursive? What were the other ones called? Recommit rs devive. And then I can rebuild again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Shit. Attempting to take the value of method path on type attribute. Ozo, hello, roost! It's true. Why did this become a function? The world may never know. But if it builds, I don't give a shit. If it builds, it runs, right? Right? Surely? Alright. We'll just do this to be a cargo run dash help. Run dash help. Cargo run. Run. Hooray! Alright, seems good. Cargo upgrade. Cargo upgrade. To resolve the panda boy. Why are we doing Roost? Because Dependabot. Because the security gods said so. Not really any. We're not actually doing Roost today. We're just doing a bunch of. This is your first time opening a pull request in this project. Shut the fuck up, stupid ass thing. My project. Oh, do I not bother with pull requests? I probably don't have any CI set up, do I? No, I don't. So we do what the Lord asked for and get merge FF only. Hell yeah. We're straight to main. Sure, this is up to date. Cool. Ragnar Grimm says, dude, your keyboard is broken. Oh no! How am I gonna put it back together? It's not sticking. It's not working. Well, and even if it's together, it's still fucked up. Bah! Yeah, you got me. You got me. My keyboard is working. Armang, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. How you doing? Or is it Armen G? That would make more sense. GG GitHub Overlords. It's true. Chikla says the Prigman RS project a rewrite of Prigman and Roost, or is something entirely different? That's exactly what it is. Permanent glue. Yeah, that'll work. Time for some 3D printing. Well, I'd have to like cut this part too. It would be kind of cool if it fit together like that. I think there's like some split keyboards that do that, but okay, that's one of two dependable ways. The other is in this repo, and I already made the pull request for it. I just didn't merge it. Upload artifacts CLI. This is just a repackaging of the upload artifact command line, which apparently had a dependency problem. So yeah, merge. And then I'm not gonna bother releasing it because who gives a shit. Actually, in the okay. Next PR. Numbers in 3D printing. Yeah, I've been meaning to get a 3D printer, but I don't know anything about them. And I haven't had the time to research one. Ragnar Grimm, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Because I feel like a 3D printer would be kind of fun. But I don't really know what I would do with it either. Although I'm sure if I had one, I would find all sorts of reasons to use one. But current markdown lint hook is in Ruby. Mention a popular node-based one as well. Oh god damn it. How popular is this one relative to how popular this one is? This one has 2,000 stars. This one has 875. Okay. They've had Prigman hooks for 3 years. Using supported language with types. You have Docker that's floating, which is sort of problem. It's not the end of the world. Seems okay. Question is, does it work? CI no status. Oh, okay. How does the thing work? Does this just wrap the Ruby thing? Or is it actually its own separate tool? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's literally just a wrapper of this thing? which has 5,000 stars. Okay. Markdown CLI command line interface for Node.js works with pre-commit. Markdown lint CLI 2 also works with pre-commit. So this is by the original author. So what the fuck do? This one also has a nice hook here. Well, shit. Are you done with deadsnakes? Yeah, it was real quick today. Print Pokemon nonstop. I don't know that I would print a Pokemon. Maybe though. Arm, like the stream. Hello. When you want to RTFM, but there is no one moment. Yeah. So this is the library, and the dude that made the library also made this one. Why are there two of them? Let's see. So I notice there's also this, which appears to be written by the author that wrote thing that you that I'll just say that. We'll give them a chance to reply to that. Since we're on a roll, getting rid of old things. Oh, I already did this one. Email. Well, I can't show on screen, but oh, this person. Just someone sent me their resume and a what looks like a ChatGPT generated message. Anyway. Okay. This one we reviewed already once, and then they fixed it in theory. But it's in 2 commits. No, I have to fix it. No. Damn it. Oh, it's because they did it from the GitHub UI. Alright, good code change like ghost time. And then we'll get to the interesting stuff, I promise. This stuff at the beginning is going to be kind of boring. But that's just the way things go. Oh, I recognize this person. Why do I recognize you? I know this handle. This place? Ah, yes. Yes. They were one of the really early pre-commit users. Atlantic Soup, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's get remote add this. Get at github.com this. Identify. Which one? I've been doing that a lot recently. I don't know, my like pattern of how I'm doing word replacements in Babby feels like it's changed. Like I've been doing a lot of like highlighting and then cutting. I don't know when I started that habit, but I just noticed it recently. But anyway. What is this garbage ass commit message? Editing that too. We don't need this. There we go. Improved. Get the rebase. Continue. Yeah. Good code. Change like a ghost. Yep, bro. Why didn't you use this as your commit message? This actually is fine, but this makes no goddamn sense. Infuriating. Anyway. Oh, I don't have my selector here, do I? Oh no, I probably do. Yeah, there it is. Oh, I could branch protection. I'm a little nervous about the rule sets things. Require status checks, collector, and pre-commit CI. Surprised it doesn't have the one for push. I guess it knows better now. It's kind of funny that my security key is like on top of my monitor, so I have to like you to press it. What the fuck was I doing? Don't know. Don't know what I was doing, but it's fine. Yeah, okay, now we have required checks. Oh, I was gonna check if auto merge is enabled. Allow auto merge. There we go. Not that we need it here because the tests have already passed, but okay, that one's done. God, we're so close to being caught up. And UV to interpreters list. Oh boy, here we go. Python 2? Can UV even run Python 2? I don't think so. It's got moved. Hello, no Python 2. Yeah, exactly. I don't think it can run Python 2. I think they're all 3 dots in here. Yeah, the oldest is 3.9. But also, I don't think that their shebang is compatible. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. Let's try it, because they clearly didn't. Oh, that's not shit. Don't actually need the contents of it. Identify. Tags from path T. Yeah. Oh, I didn't check out the branch, did I? Maybe it works. Oh, it does. Python 3 Python text file Python 2 executable. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get rid of the version tags. Dead or alive, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Do you have Podman set up in this VM? Yeah. Yeah. Amanda says, could someone explain why the salary ranges are so different between Python and JavaScript jobs? I mean, average 28k euro for Python, 34k euro for JavaScript, literally doing the same crappy backend over and over. I don't have a good explanation for that. Other than, I don't know, maybe employers are like, JavaScript can be front end or back end. You're universally useful. But I don't think that would explain a salary discrepancy like that. Ragnar Grimm says, why are your fingers moving so fast? That's what she said. Because I'm really good at typing? I don't know. Destrin, hello. Welcome. This is first time chat, but I feel like you've been here before, and maybe there's several Destrins. Maybe that's a common name that I just don't think is a common name. But anyway, welcome. Alright, that's done. And now we can work on the things that I actually want to work on. Oh, I made this issue from my work account. Okay, the first one is really easy, and the second one's really hard. So we're gonna do the really easy one first. Put out of some tabs. Dead is my shitty dead code tool. And I've been using it to find dead code at work. However, work uses a lot of global variables via the global statement, and dead does not understand that. So, we need to teach it. Fanning FX, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, it's probably Fan Ying FX. That makes way more sense. Welcome to the stream. Hello. Rainy day tomorrow says global variables are never the answer. Yeah. Let's see if I can find how many times I've ever used global. Or repos grep. What? Space plus global space in Python files. I probably need -E. Okay, PyTest doesn't count. This is tests, so that doesn't count. This is also tests. So literally only in my explains videos and in tests have I used the global statement. PyTest doesn't count. I don't think I wrote any of these. Global my PDB. Oh, these are also tests. These are the non-test ones. Anyway. There are sneaky global variables though. Actually, I think I've rewritten most of these to not be... Yeah, like these are sneaky global variables. They're not actually global variables. They're more like... I mean, they're kind of globals. More like caches. They're little singleton doodads. But... global variables at work? Work has lots of them. Which I guess we'll show later. Okay. Anyway, let's take this example and try and make it work. Explains 401. Yeah, that one's a pretty good one, right? Assume most of the stuff in explains talking about the misuse of globals. Yeah, the example for that was specifically because it was easy to show test pollution based on mutation of a global variable. Exit's here. Hello. God damn it. Ah, you fucking got me. I was about to say exactly this. How are you doing, Kexit? I'm that fucking predictable, aren't I? At least I'm predictable and pleasant. Could be worse. I'm doing fine, thank you. How about you? I'm doing all right. Guess I've not seen it as HBY. I think I always see it as HBU. But it's not important. Okay. I pull already here? If not, get the pull. If only. Yes, alright. Globals! Oh, you just mistyped it, but it still worked. Rini Tamara says, does that mean Mitsuhiko is your coworker? What's it like having a famous coworker? I mean, he's just a guy. Honestly, Armin says some embarrassing shit online that no, we're not gonna go there. We're not gonna go there. We don't need to. I don't know, it's fine. I have meetings with Armin once a week to just talk about stuff. And it's fine. Okay, how did I do this before? Just wrote type tick keys. That's global targets. There cap this or see this. I don't think I need capsys. I also don't know why I have capsys. I don't, because we are trying to get no errors. Get there.join f.i.write source. Copy this. Oh no, we have failing tests. G is never read. Defined in f.py on line 5. Yeah, right here. So it doesn't understand that this targets the global scope. Kings says, is Armin really more popular than anything? Anthony, though. Probably. I think I definitely write more. Contribute more to open source than Armin does. But that's because he has kids and he is tired, which is fair. Buzzer says, by the way, Anthony, what do you think about my temptation to wipe my desktop workstation and install Proxmox as a type 1 hypervisor and use a VM for my desktop usage? That sounds like masochism. It sounds really cool, but it sounds like you're gonna hate your life. Rainy Day Tomorrow says, Frodo Sworth, I also have famous coworkers, and they're also very regular people too. Nice. Oda says, do you want to say Anthonk is not famous? He even made it into one of the reaction content robbery videos of the mustache guy. It's true. It's true. One of the banned words. God, what a gross thing that people do. And content robbery garbage. Anyway, so this is failing. Let's figure out how to fix it. I think it's actually gonna be really simple though. Misty's Nut says, sounds like no benefit of not having Linux for all the consequences of virtualization. Yeah. Okay, so scopes get added when scope context manager is run and then popped at the end. This whole scopes thing is really poorly done. Define if it's not a test. Read scope and scopes. We just assume a read can go anywhere upwards. And is test is set on this context. Okay. Hey, 3-streak stream, Kegsit. Nice. Was there a good Linux box with the form factor of a Mac Mini? Don't know. Oh yeah, Pandexter. There was some reaction content made to what video is it? This one. This video. You should just watch the original video rather than the bad take in the in the shitty reaction video. Mac Mini with Asahi. I've heard Asahi is decent, but I've never used it myself. I don't know that there's. I mean, there's a bunch of like Mac Mini like form factor, like the Intel Nuke or the even the Microsoft Dev machine, called the ARM machine. Although then you'd have to run ARM. I watched the original. I agree. Yeah. The new Mac Minis are so small at this point. I haven't seen the new form factor on those. Okay, so I think what I need to do is have the current scope understand what global statements have been run, and then have the define happen at the right place. That's my thought. So I think I need to do visit global somewhere in here. Therefore, visit global. Of node ast.global. I think this is how this works. I don't know. I also don't know what the global statement looks like even. Python 3 ast global. Just list of identifiers. Oh, I'll probably have to handle non-local too. Yeah. So let's not forget about non-local, since it almost certainly has the same problem. It's not up anymore? Did you pull a gunner knife on him? I didn't. I was gonna issue a takedown notice, but then I was like, that's too much work. Also, in order to do a takedown notice, you have to give the other person your full name and address. And I'm like, what the fuck? Which makes sense. Like, the copyright law in the US is kind of fucked up in that, like, you would have to do you have to submit the equivalent of full litigation paperwork. Like, bleh. Are nukes still a thing? I don't know. Could be like a decade out of date on my knowledging here. But Rainy Tomorrow says my desktop is on Windows 10, isn't compatible with Windows 11, and Windows 10 is end of life in less than a year. Oh shit! Wait, when was your desktop built? Because a lot of these like not compatible with Windows 11 things are literally just a BIOS setting that didn't get flipped by default and should work fine. Should work fine. Yeah. Python really needs a better theme for docs highlighting. Yeah. I think this is just the default. Actually, I think this is the one that is copied from, well, somebody copied from someone else, but I know that the default IntelliJ light mode is the same theme. My desktop is from 2017, too old to have a TPM chip. 2017 though? Really? Because my previous machine was 2018 and it had what year was a TPM chip ubiquitous? 2003 was when it was created. TPM 1.2 is 2009. Only in the past 3 to 4 years, huh? Okay, well then maybe maybe you don't have one. Oh, you have an old TPM but not the newest revision. Ah, that sucks. Unfortunate. Microsoft will probably cave when they see the Windows 11 adoption lagging. Well, they didn't for well, they kind of did for Windows XP. Yeah, they kind of did for Windows XP. Yeah, that's kind of. It is Cyprian. It is Cyprian. Does Pop OS better than Windows 11? and then the bot snarked at you. That's funny. You hit the 1 in 10 snarkometer there. I test dash K global. EP node have you installed? Hell yeah. It's literally just names. Okay. Cool. So we will do self.global names set stir equals set. I will also have to do non-local probably too. Visit global. Self.scope. Scope's -1. Can I make a shorthand for this? Scope's -1. Yeah. Whoa! We got a new theme! This one's kind of hard to read! This one's kind of hard to read, D-Dolls. Alright, start the poll, D-Dolls. You know the rules. Chat can veto a theme. Why is it so dim? This is such a fucking depressing theme. What is it called? Mogi Dark Vitesse. Yeah, that sounds... Yes or no? Make D-Dolls sad. Is it supposed to look this sad? This looks very different than what I have. We have Dark Vitesse. Yeah, somehow this looks different. Oh wait, that looks... Wait, did it just change again? No. This looks different. Yeah, this is kind of weird. Wow, not many people are voting here. The screenshot looks more saturated. Yeah, the screenshot looks way better than this. I wonder if there's like a weird bug in it. Or if they're using like opacity somewhere. Color space moment? No, this should be true color. No, make details set. Hold on, we're gonna figure out if this theme actually sucks or if there's some subtlety going on here. Config Babby theme less. Okay, so they do have some opacity on these, and I know we just ignore the opacity in Babby. That could influence it slightly, but those aren't the ones that matter. Yeah, it's probably this. It's probably this. But actually, wouldn't the alpha channel make this even worse? Rather than making it better? Like why would they use alpha channel on any of these? Babby just ignores the alpha channel because how the fuck are you supposed to display alpha channel? The font looks different? Yeah, the font will definitely be different because the font is just my classic font. The themes can't change the font. But the colors are even different. Like this is way more subtle than this is. But my reading of this is, or my intuitiveness here, my intuition is that an alpha channel on a color should make it even more dim. You can handle foreground opacity with some math. Yeah, I could do some math. Yeah, the alpha is pretty high. Like EE versus FF, you're not super gonna notice. But there was one that was like DE. But very few of these actually have alpha. They are using like a very, this is like a very, very gray. That's what this gray is. I think the problem is just the background color, actually. Like, let's see. Screenshot. Then paint.net. We'll see if they're the same color. Okay, that looks like shit, but whatever. Oh, fuck off. Oh, there's no choice here that's good. I don't want to do either of those. Maybe X will do that. Okay. Color doodad. Let's see. 1F, 1F, 1F versus 212121. So that's very strange that they are a different color. Did I actually do the alpha channel with math? Is that why this is fucked up? Yeah, Babby has a darker background, which is really weird. Did I actually do the alpha channel math? There's no way, right? Also, does it look better with JavaScript is a good question too. Oh, I don't have Grammar's clone. Babby Grammars. Test data. Source js.js. This doesn't look significantly better. What the fuck? This is so weird. Okay, Babby color. Parse. If the length is greater than or equal to 7, yeah, it just ignores the alpha channel. That's weird. That's weird. That's really weird. Because, we looked at the... let's see, what is the background supposed to be? Somewhere in your editor dot background. 202020, which is weird because this is 1F, 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 and this is 212121. So neither of them line up. What the fuck? Why? Unless there's another, I wonder if there's another, not you. Background or editor.background in the root. Okay, let's look at those, because maybe they've specified the other one. There's editor to background. They have normal background. Panel, menu, banner, terminal. No. Huh. That's very strange. Anyway, chat has spoken. I think their screenshots are doctored. pkill-user1 Babby. Ah, we're back. We're back, baby. Weird. Very weird. This is why I have a tendency to hate graphical user interfaces. Stop bothering me and let me work. Yeah. Hassan, hello, hello. JS has the colorful vibe. Yeah. Seems too dim to me. I need to force my eyes to read. Yeah. Tried in another terminal. Too late. It's gone now. Lava Stars, hello, hello. Welcome back. Your voice is like ASMR. That's what I've been told. I'm told I make good sleeping noise too. You want to fall asleep to my stream? by all means. Yeah. Okay, what were we doing before we got distracted? Still failing. What did I change? We set it in global names, yes. Test slash dead.py. Define. So Alana says I use Anthony's stream to put my daughter to sleep. That's pretty sweet. Kexus says, do you mind light themes? I mean, it's whether chat vetoes or not. I don't really have a problem with light themes. But, scopes, -1. Target. Okay, I think this fixes our problem. Hooray! Does it break everything else? Hooray! Okay. I don't want to risk my babbies. Fortunately, there's a theme validate where you can... Oh, you don't want to risk chat denying it. Okay, I get it. Alava Star says, if you sleep thinking about Python, is it a dream or a nightmare? Well, almost every one of my dreams is a nightmare. So therefore, probably a nightmare? If Python happened to exist there? Panoxer says, when you least expect it, she'll be maintaining a myriad of open source developer tools. That'd be funny. Oh, you got your chat plot. But I think you don't have your continuity because you did your rename. But if you want to get your old chat data, you can... Oh, where is that gonna... Against chat rank? Yeah. If you want to remap your name, Kexit, you could find your old name and map it to your current name, and then your chat plot would be more complete. But 3NT3. I feel like you told me to call you Ent last time, so I'm gonna call you Ent. One question: are you a freelancer? No. I've done a little bit of it a very, very long time ago, like when I was in high school. But I have not done freelancing since then. It's kind of difficult to do in the US, given healthcare situation. Then you gotta do all your own like fucking health insurance garbage, and literally a struggle to stay alive in this godforsaken, fucked up country. But otherwise, I would. Oh, I paid my taxes this year. I'm ahead of schedule this time. I got my taxes done. Yeah. Okay. We need to figure out a way to make a test for non-local, because presumably that's also a problem. Test non-local targets. Actually, now that I think about it, is it a problem? Yeah, it is a problem, almost certainly. Source equals this, def f x equals 1, def g non-local x equals 2, g return x f. Pretty sure that'll be a problem. Iter.join f.py.write source. See, the tricky part is I'm pretty sure you can actually define it in this order. And then how does it know what to target? Ah! You open a PR. Oh. So that you can fix your chat plot. Kexit's here. Hello, hello. How are you doing? Is this what your username used to be? I thought it was just Kexit. Take a random one. Ah, it was the Kexit. Cool. Yep. Sounds good. Usernames must be greater than or equal to 6 characters. Ah. Uh-huh. Nice. Oh god. Oh, I missed. Fuck. Oh, I got it. I got it. Let's go. Oh, there's the... Wait, my script is broken. What the fuck? Why is my script broken? Oh, because they changed the text on it. Turn it on. Why is this page freaking the fuck out? Internet down? Can I still hear you? Can I still hear you? Can you still hear me? Is GitHub down? What the fuck? Why isn't the script working? Approve and run workflows. Button text. Well, you know. What do I have to do? Iterate next. Null! What the fuck? What are you then, if not a button? Oh, you're a span. But you are a button. Is that not how this works? Approve and run workflows. Oh, I don't remember my XPath! Mighty Baka says yes. Nice, nice. What the fuck? Wow, you can see that. Why is the history for this for way back? This is definitely how I tried this a long time ago. Can't you copy XPath with browser DevTools? Yeah, but I'm specifically trying to target text in a button. Oh, I know what I can do. Button text. I think I can just run this. Failed to evacuate is not a valid XPath. So what if I say So that works with... Oh, but it doesn't have a span inside of it. Ugh! Why did they put a span inside of it? So if I go here, and if I do span, yeah, then we get it. But how do I do XPath? How do I get the text of everything? Yeah, this is specifically that subchild. So you can no longer mine Bitcoin? Exactly. Yeah, I don't want to have to explicitly find the sub thing. // Oh, I could do that. I could do that. Could do that, I think. Button with // text contains this. Aha! We have conquered the XPath. Okay. So put our new expression in here. Oh, it's shorter than before. Dun, 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 dun. Now we can mine the Bitcoin. But we're not gonna mine the Bitcoin. We're gonna go change the settings so that it is not a pain in the ass. But I think we still have to mine Bitcoin because changing the setting doesn't do the thing. Okay. Now we mine the Bitcoin. Hooray. Also, why is it running the test with 3.10? I should update that. Because we only run it in Python 3.12 now. We'll do that after this PR. Hurry up, I'm impatient. Hooray. Now, it's full FF only. Yes, and now we restart. Marsha's here. Hello, hello, Marsha. And now you should be able to do your chat plot, Kexit. And get you some new, longer plot of chat. Radu, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Bum, 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 bum. How's your new chat plot looking? Ah! What happened here, Kexit? What happened in 2023? Oh, your Korean name, right. Ah, you gotta add your Korean name too. I forgot about that. Shooby-doo-bop. Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. New director of training. We'd like to invite the training team to your internal dev demos every week. We publish recordings in the wiki. Let's use that rather than adding more people to meeting. Yeah, it sounds good. This is so funny like this. Yeah, what happened there? Oh, Kexit's Korean phase. Anyway. Let's do the thing to make this 312 plus. Is that it? Here as well. Nothing to upgrade. Interesting. Wolfred! Well, well, well. Well, 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 Wolfred. Thank you for the resub at 2 years with that fancy new badge. And now you have 2 fancy badges. Congratulations on your VIP. You've somehow stuck around for 2 years. Oh. Marsha, careful! Oh, so we choked there. Marsha asked Kexit to justify your hole. God damn, look at your plot, Deedles. Holy shit. I was not ready for that. I was not ready. Extreme moderation? Yeah. Oh yeah, Wilfred, you changed your name. We're actually just going over you can map your old name to your newer names if you want your chat plot to be big and good. Steve Bandito's also here. Hello, hello. Yeah, shooby doo bop. You need to have at least 2 days. How do you do that? Here is a pull request with an example. And so you can just find your old usernames and do that. We can actually probably find your likely usernames. Ah, damn it. Yeah, these are your potential names, Wilfred. Captain Wilfred? I don't know if that's you. Ending with Wilfred, definitely you. Starting with Wilfred. This is definitely you. Those are all you. Here, I'll paste them in chat to save you the trouble. Look at this fancy little grep that answered my question almost immediately. Yeah, this regex looks like it's dancing. Do you remember the little fucking Kirby ASCII art? It's missing some? Well, they're not in my logs, so it's fine. Should I... Did you always have Wolfred in your name? Oh. Are these also you? You used just Wolf? Oh. Cause, some of these might be you. Like, these feel like they could be you. Oh, yeah, they are you. There you go, there's 2 more. Anyway. Okay. What was I doing? Wait, what was the... this is when we were arguing about bottled water. And Kegsit's preference is Evian. I'm done with name changes, fuck this. Yeah, a lot of extra work, right? You're supposed to be done with Z Last Wolf? Didn't realize how many times I've changed it. Yeah. One last change for the boys. Grandpa will for it in a few years. Alright, well, let that do its thing. Look at Kingston's hole. Is this just plotting the chat, or is it logs too? The number is how many times you chatted in a particular stream. So I don't completely understand your question, but I hope that clarifies it. Grandma's iPad, hello. So you can see. Looks like most. This is actually. I actually really like this plot because it very clearly shows that most streams you say exactly one thing, and then a lot of other streams you say exactly two things. You are very consistent. Quantity over quality, baby. Ayo. But one stream you said 25 things. I don't know what happened that day. Remember saying use terms of service for logs at some point? I mean, everyone does it, so I don't give a shit. And how else would I generate these cool plots? Manny Vibes, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, it doesn't include sub messages, true. Mr. Singh says, yesterday an intern submitted a merge request with some tests commented out, just so that they could avoid failing tests temporarily in CI. Oh my. So, you talk about that being terrible. We had something worse that happened. God, how do I even find this? Evan does too many things. Evan... That's gonna be a front end one. Was it Evan? Yeah, this one. For some reason, our tests have just been hanging indefinitely, and we don't really know why. So the fix is to just fucking comment out the test. Or, sorry, delete the test file? Yeah. So I feel that. I understand that sometimes. Agnes says, I posted a comment on the PR before the commit happened. Which one? Not this one. The other one? The one that I merged that you were not done with? This one? Oh, there is a comment here. No, it's me. What? What do you mean? Where? Valid? Yeah. My chatbot going back to May 2020 is insane to me. That's when I started recording data. May 20th was the first log. How is it 2025, right? Just use the Twitch API? Yeah, they don't. Yeah, there's one. Dota, hello. Good thing there's a line going through the plot to reduce the confusion. Oh, the line is the trend line. You can see, like, for instance, Mr. Singh over time has chatted less, which is fine. It's kind of normal. Anthon has code memory? Yeah. Zan says, I once said 35 things in one stream. Damn. No test is better than a flaky test. Yeah, especially a flaky test that hangs forever and just wastes everybody's time. Leo Overwatch, hello, welcome. If the tests are failing, delete the test. Embrace brokenness, ship faster, says Dota. Exactly. The PR I just merged? What? What? Oh, there is a comment here. LGTM, yeah. Nice. Nice. The computer has a lot of space. Anthon, can I commission you building my next computer? Maybe? Did you watch me build my computer, though? It took me a real long time. Oh yeah, Spyro, if the bot's not running, there's no chat there. Have you linked here in Discord? Why did it not? Oh. Oh! Wait, what the fuck? What? How did... Oh. I see what happened. My VM clock is fucked up again. I'm 6 minutes in the future? I swear, I fucking check this box every single stream and it doesn't stick. Yeah, so I just did a little bit of time travel, I guess. Apparently 6 minutes of clock drift is not enough to trigger TLS problems. Weird. Radu says my chart only has 1 dot. Wait, that shouldn't happen. Because with 1 dot it won't generate a chart at all. But yeah, this is your first stream, so that makes sense. Oramus is here. Hello, hello. There is an API for chat, but it doesn't give you historic chat. And I guess it can for VODs, but only as long as the VODs live. There's a Twitch command line. I think it's mostly for developers. I've watched you bake stuff that's basically building a computer. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Let's gamble, try merging LGTM. Yeah. Nice job, GitHub. It's a few minutes ahead. Yeah, that's my clock's fucked up. Weird. Do you prefer 24-hour format? I go back and forth. Like my watch, my shitty... Come on, focus on the watch. There we go. My shitty fitness watch that literally only tells the time and has GPS, but it has like a 50-day battery life. But it's made by some like random Chinese knockoff company that there are typos in the watch interface itself, which I think is very funny. But I have that in 24-hour time, and I have my local machine in this is in 24-hour time, but my Windows machine is not. I don't know. I still think in 12-hour time, but I'm trying to adjust. And Oxer says, did you use IRC back in the day? I still have some 10-year-old logs of fond memories. I did use IRC. I also used IRC at work. Yelp used to use IRC. Going back even further, I had a 5-digit IRQ number. Remember IRQ? IRQ is not popular in the US, but I had an IRQ number because I played some like German text-based game, and everyone else used IRQ to communicate. Yeah. Are we using IRC now? Twitch's IRC is not quite IRC, but it's close enough. It just looks like someone else is holding up an arm. Yeah. What brand is it? It's a company that no longer exists. Let's see what their company is called now. Their company is called Zep now. Apparently it's owned by I don't know, I'm not even gonna try and pronounce it. This company? It's like a phone manufacturer in China. The funny thing is I went to recover my account because I hadn't used this since the pandemic. And I was like, well, I'm training for my half marathon. I'll actually set up my I'll set up my account. And it's like, account recovery is only available in mainland China. And I was like, well, guess I'm gonna start guessing my password now. I got lucky though. I did guess my old password before I password manager. So we need extra tariff for that watch. Oh shit. Oh shit. Some Americans only use 24 hours for the military. Militaries and hospitals use 24-hour time, but yeah, basically. Am I tripping or is the stream blinking? I'm not dropping frames. So I don't know. IRQ shut down recently. Whoa. I used to use MIRC and called it Merc. I like that. I like that. IRQ or ICQ? Oh wait, was it IRQ or ICQ? No. Did I say the wrong one? Oh, it's ICQ. Yeah, that's how long ago it's been. ICQ? Yeah, it was ICQ. Sorry. IRQ is different thing. Like a critical packet thing. Thank you, Marsha. Amazfit, yes. How? It's of course, yeah. Xiaomi? Okay. That makes sense. Xiaomi? I don't fucking know. Why is string concatenation so complicated and Roost too many string types? Yeah, I feel like you kind of get it together if you figure it out after doing it a bunch. But I don't think I could tell you off the top of my head how Roost and strings works. Annoyances is 24-hour too? I guess that makes sense. Don't drink and Twitch, yeah. Transportation does too? Okay, so a lot of things use it. ICQ was done in June 2024. Ah. Uh-huh. Interesting. I've been using 24-hour time for a couple of months, still confused myself with it. Hey, there you go, Marsha. Okay, what was I doing? Non-local example. I don't know how we're gonna make this work. Obviously not like that. System exit 2. What? Oh, I did need those parentheses. Have to scroll back? No. X is never read. Defined on line 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shit. I don't know how we're gonna make this work. Because we don't know what scope that X is in. Because the way Python does this, I'm pretty sure, is it parses this entire function body. Yeah. It parses this function body, knows that this is the target of this, and so finds the scope that way, I think. What does this do? Why do I feel like this is way harder to read than it used to be? Load const code object make function store name f. Okay, so this is the module. Call f pop top return const. Modules return values? That seems weird. Okay, anyway. F is make cell x. This is the non-local target. Build tuple load const. Make function. Oh yeah, this is to build the function g. Store 1 into x. Call g. Load x and return it. The problem is the file bytecode knows that this is where that target is. But we do not know where that is. Maybe we just don't support non-local. Oh. Yeah. Huh. If it's for friends who do stuff together, U is for uranium bombs. Oh. And N is for no survivors. I don't remember it. From SpongeBob, right? U64 versus U size? Yeah, that's also pain. I feel that. Down in the deep blue sea, yeah, I think that's what it ends with. I don't fucking know. I only watched SpongeBob as a kid at other people's houses because we did not have Nickelodeon. Which is fair, I guess. We did have Cartoon Network though. Yeah, I don't know that there's a good way to support this, so I'm just gonna not for now. I haven't found any at work that need this, so... Well, actually, you know what we can do? We can just pytest.mark.xfail. Would be nice. Well, the Docker system prune-a-f untags a running image. Well, that's a strange one. You should track the lines of code written, deleted, and shell commands per stream. Yeah, that'd be kind of interesting. I mean, stats are not that hard to get if you just do it from git commits. But from git commits, it shouldn't be that big. Shell commands, you can get it from shell history. Just target for global statement. Yeah, like I think the tricky part with non-local is I think I would have to parse the scopes in reverse order or parse them a second time. Or I could mark the definitions as non-local and then fold them up. I don't know how that would work though. But I need to fill up my water because I am an hour behind on doing that. So I'm going to do that real quick while we open up this pull request. And then we'll work on the difficult one, which I don't know if there's a good way to fix. But we'll see. Bridgen, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And welcome to the stream. What's the thing that enables timestamps in bash history? It fucks with my evs the f, but I've always wanted to have it. I don't know. I don't think I have it. I don't. I just have numbers. So I'd probably just record the number at the beginning of the stream or something like that. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know the answer. What are you? Oh, this person replied. Da, 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 da. They also learned how to alphabetize. Wow. I indirectly taught them the alphabet. Hooray. And somehow they made 4 fucking commits for it. God damn it. We're gonna have to go change like ghosts. Anyways, I'll be right back. It is water time. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. Take a quick phone call, but we're all good now. Let's see. What were we doing? Oh yeah, we have to fix the person's. Fortunately, we already have the remote, so do that real quick. Oh my goodness, so much chat while I was gone. Somewhere in Man Bash, yeah. Good luck. Man Bash is such a clusterfuck of everything. Yeah. Okay. Does seem to work. Cool. Oh god damn it. Did it work? Yo, let's go. And now I can click this button. Hooray. And then merge this thing that we did. That plotch. Kegs its hole. I got this invention. Sandwich bread, Philly cream cheese, peanut butter, chunky peanut butter, and strawberry jam. Amazing, I swear. That does sound pretty good. How much cream cheese are we talking? Like, what's the ratios here? It says, I wish there was an OCaml-based shell language. Top shell is pretty close, but I'm still unsatisfied. Oh god, a functional shell language. I mean, you could be the change you want to see, Kexit. I believe you have the ability to make one. I have too many side projects. Story of my fucking life. I got too many things to do. Like half an inch of cheese, same peanut butter, and then drops of jam. Okay, so it's primarily a cream cheese and peanut butter sandwich with some jam as flavor. Huh. That sounds pretty cool. I'll have to try it. Is it full fat cream cheese? Because oddly enough, my preferred cream cheese is Neufchâtel, which is 1/3. Essentially, oh, how did I forget to mute Discord? And it's been this whole stream. Oh, it's not that I forgot to mute it. I opened another tab of it. That's on me. That's on me. I clicked on Kegs' link. That's on me. Oh. Password. Paste. And send. That's on me then? Well, I was gonna throw you under the bus. But if you're okay taking the blame here, then sure. Right, so we made one improvement. Bad password. We made one improvement to dead. So I kind of want to see how that impacts this thing. So we'll go to work computer real quick. So this is the current set of dead things that I've identified. Pip uninstall dead. Yes. Pip install get plus. Install the Git version. Oh, right. I was trying to debug if things were using package resources, so I put this at the beginning of it. I didn't think about that. I'm amazed that I haven't hit this, because I put that there like weeks ago. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so if we do bash make dead now, I think it's pronounced Neuchâtel. Is that not what I said? I probably had too much F in there. Right, it's French, so you just ignore half the fucking letters. You might as well just say Neuchâtel. But anyway, and if I reload, I did escape colon too quickly, so I thought it was a character. Hooray! A bunch of things have gone away. But we still have some that more than I expected. What is this total projects thing? Is this the other bug that I want to fix today? Or is this a non-local? Am I gonna be... Oh no, yeah, this code is nonsense. I'm pretty sure this is just a bug. So, for instance, total projects is initialized here. 0. Then it loops over this thing and sums up based on the number of projects. But then the comparison here doesn't use total projects. I'm pretty sure this is just a bug. Pretty sure this is just a bug. But dead is like, what are you doing? This variable is assigned to but never read. I'm actually surprised that PyFlakes doesn't notice this. I feel like it should. Why doesn't PyFlakes notice this? Yeah, so why doesn't PyFlakes notice this? Is it because augment and assign? Oh. Augment and assign is treated as a read and a write. Should it be treated as a read and a write? Pirate would have told me that the variable is assigned but never used. Yeah, I'm kind of curious what tests fail if I do this. A equals 0. Sequence A plus equals 1. Sequence B slash equals 2. Expected to get a bunch of undefined names and unused variable. Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. Undefined name B makes sense. We got that one. We should have gotten 1, 2, 3, 4 undefined names and then 1 unused variable. We didn't get an undefined name for D though. Which is interesting. That's one of the failures. There was another failure too, though. Undefined augmented assignment. That's this whole failure here, okay? This is the same test, just run twice, I guess. Expected 1, 2, 3. This is the same code. Okay, so Dante, hello, how you doing? Good to see you again. Normandy mentioned, what the fuck is friendship with Brittany? Where is my cider? What? The only Molly stuff I'll put in my mouth is brie. I don't like blue cheese either. I know, call me a fake Italian. I don't like blue cheese. So can we fix this? Let's look at og ass. What does handle node load do? Handle node load. Yeah, this is really tricky. There's a lot of fucking logic going on in here. The ultimate problem is this usedness happening. So somewhere in here, yeah, here's where the undefined name happens. So why doesn't handle node go down the same path? Because it should just hit the same name. Oh, because... Because I bet the augmented assign node only has one operation, and it's only going to be store, even though it's actually load and store. This is fucking tricky. This is tricky. Let's look at aug-ass. Yeah, exactly. I don't think I've ever had gorgonzola. Not the biggest fan of brie either. Gorgonzola is like kind of a bluey cheese. Huh. No more than one left shifted 8 assignments are allowed before a start expression. This seems like implementation detail. Don't know why it's bothered there. Yeah, this is tricky because we kind of like we almost want to say that the variable is never referenced. But at the same time we want to handle that it is referenced so that we can find whether it's undefined. So I can see why the code does what it does. So we're just gonna leave it. We're just gonna leave it. Smile. Okay, anyway, back to what I was looking at here. This is the other problem I think that I wanted to look at. 37. Yeah. So the way dead works is it creates a scope for this and it thinks that these are defined within this scope, but actually they're in this class that gets assigned. So I think my hacky solution, well, I got two options here. One is I just fucking don't bother with scopes at all because Figuring out global variables versus local variables is a pain. I think what I'm actually gonna do is inside any class scopes, just treat them as global. Even though that's not quite correct. Python scopes are especially cursed? Yeah. Yeah. But then what if there's a function in a class, in a function? Ah! Ah. Yeah, but this is the other problem that I want to solve today. But hey, only 1,400 things that look like they're dead now. iOS models.py? The fuck is... Apparently no one uses the Gen 1 or Gen 2 Apple TV. Or they define the constants and then just don't use them. See, why the fuck do you bother with these constants? These are literally useless. Just fucking inline this shit. They're like, oh, dry, I don't want to write the same thing twice, so... Pineapple and black olive pizza. Got the idea from Deadpool. that's pretty gangster. These two random bin scripts have dead code in them. Enable skim. Never read. Really? Oh, I bet it's the same thing, isn't it? Yep. Class in a closure. Oh, this is actually worse because this is a magic class. These form classes do all sorts of stupid fucking magic based on their innards. Why is this defined in a closure though? Oh. Oh, does it even work? Oh. So much. Does it have a type annotation? Absolutely not. Type annotation. Anyway. Alright, let's figure out how to solve this problem then. Because, yeah. Or hack around the problem more likely. Ideally... Constants aren't ordered by key nor value. Yeah, nothing surprises me about that. All right. I'm pretty sure I had an example in the issue that I made. Oh, I solved this by 203. I'm gonna email myself at work. Hooray! It's the fucking Obama meme, right? handing myself a medal here. Ew. Ah. Looks good. Ship it. Ah, you were too slow, Mr. Swans. You were too slow. Yes, we have a very small, simple, easy example here. Great combo of sweet and salty. Also cursed with pointless constants in Python codebase at work. Do you also work with Java developers who write Python? Probably. Still my favorite constants work. Public static const final string comma equals comma. Yep. You should never have a string literal in your codebase. No! To be fair, I used to think the same thing. I learned quickly that that's a fucking stupid mentality to stick to. Yeah. But I used to be one of those no strings in code people. Old school Eclipse used to warn on it all the time. Honestly, that might have been where I got it from. Actually, can I even find this? See if I can find. Let's see if I can find my definitely not stolen, really old work code. From 2010? 2010 here? Oh yeah, this looks promising. Here? Math.zip. I don't want it. What is new folder 2? Oh, this is skiing? I don't know why it's named like a porn folder. Why is it named like that? Don't it seem my terrible form from 2010? Oh, this isn't even me. That's not me. This is me. Yeah. This isn't the worst form. This is a really poorly timed photo, though. Oh no, this isn't me either. No, that's not me either. Fuck. Really, one of these is me. That's also not me. What the fuck? Why are there so many photos that are not me? There's me. There we go. We got one. We got one in the end. Oh yeah, what was I looking for? I was looking for yeah. My old, where did it even be? I feel like I have a folder called code somewhere. Programs, there we go. God, I wrote a lot of code back then. What? Weird sound thingy. I don't know what this is. What is this? Why can't I open this with Notepad++? Bad. Oh, I'd have to know whatever the fuck final2.wav is. Damn it. We'll never know. We'll never know what final2.wav is. According to Twitch, you serve us the freshest content. What the fuck does that mean? I'm freshy fresh? Oh, I'm sad because now wait, where did it say that file is? Because maybe I still have it. misc web final2.wav. Oh, now I'm scared because I definitely have that file. Yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna make sure this isn't something obscene first. And then you'll at least be able to see my reaction. And then I'll play it. So hold on. Okay. Muted. I should mute both. Okay. It's like a recording from a video game. It was like Metroid Prime something or another. I don't know why it's called weird sound thingy though. Maybe they were like overlaid and played weirdly. Where the fuck is this code that I'm looking for? In this folder. I have a I have a program called if statement generator. That's how you know what era of my programming this was. Wow, I filed taxes back. Let's try 2011. Oh, here we go. What was I even looking for? Oh, I was looking for my I don't want to know what that file is. There's a suspicious folder called new folder with a file called asdf.txt. I'm pretty sure that's my password manager. Hmm. I know I wrote a shitty linter for JavaScript. Oh. Damn. Okay, I can't find it. Never mind. I was gonna show you the first linter I ever wrote in 2010. But remember when on fleek was a popular thing? Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's my password manager. Actually, here. Well, I'm actually curious. It's in a suspicious folder called new folder. So it's got to be something sketchy, right? 11 new folder. No, it is somehow worse. It is somehow worse? The fuck is this? Alright, well, I'm showing you. This is in new folder /asdf.asdf.txt. And it is a giant Java string, part of a Java string, because who knows what the left part of this is, with a bunch of sequel plus equals and a horribly concatenated, yeah, yeah, Java sequel. Don't know what the fuck this was, but clearly not important. Okay, anyway. Spyro says send it to us so we can check it for you. Oh, I just showed you anyway. So. Oh, I see. My password's probably in this file called pass.txt. Some language design sketch? Absolutely not. No, this is probably production worthy code. That probably went straight to prod. I didn't say the code I wrote back then was good. It just worked. Alright, so our problem is that class scopes inside of function, closured classes. Closured classes are likely, I mean, we treat classes normally as just the global scope. So maybe we just treat closured classes as global also. James Boyan, hello, how you doing? Yeah, I think that will work. It's not great, but let's figure out how to write that now. Class def. Define node.name. This is a bad middle ground. Oh yeah, we wrote this last time. We're trying to untangle magically typed classes? No, we're trying to figure out worse than that. So basically, if you do this, there is no dead code here. Everything is referenced, but the way that dead sees it is this is how dead sees this. Oh, I guess yeah. And so dead sees this function as not ever called because it thinks that this function is defined in this scope here. But in reality, it's defined in a class that gets returned. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to treat all class bodies as just magically global. Which I think fixes this. Probably creates more problems than it fixes, but erring on the side of false negatives over false positives seems better. Ah, hello there, Satan. Yes, yeah. I mean, to be honest, any language is going to have the same sort of problem. Any language that allows you to have first class classes. First class class. And I'm so happy I can write generator none. So good. Oh, this is fine. This song loops. Is this the one that I like, or is this one I don't like? I feel like at this point I've heard these songs so many times I can't remember. Basically need static analysis for this, which dead doesn't have. I mean, it can do static analysis. It needs like type checker analysis. It needs like full symbol and type analysis, which it just doesn't have. Like, I think the ideal scenario is somehow I teach MyPy how to do this, but I don't even know where to start with that. Like, MyPy I think would be my ideal dead code analysis tool. Like, imagine you get your code 100% typed, and then you could just be like, hey, type checker, is this function used? And I could just be like, nope, no callers, nowhere. I know very definitively because everything is typed. Actually, I wonder if anyone has proposed that in the MyPy tracker. It seems like a natural thing that a type checker could do, uniquely could do. I mean, it's sort of part of like unreachable. MyPy reports missing return statement. Static linker. This would have to be marked no return. It is marked no return. Ooh. Oh, there's a cache issue. That's kind of funky. But that's a rabbit hole. We don't need to go down that rabbit hole. To be honest, linters are better suited as a monolith that do all the semantic analysis because it's hard to disentangle things. Yeah, I wish MIPA had something like minimum required type coverage. There is. There is. Please just change something. What the fuck? Oh, I think I have this person blocked. No? The name looks familiar. Oh, they're a MyPy. This program type checks even though it's obviously wrong. Turn star global foo if it's not none, print hello otherwise. Yeah. Oh, I see why. Because it thinks this is unreachable because of this. It's weird that it allows this assignment though. Friends made it appear like this and thought it was fine. Oh god. That's not. Yeah. Rather than relaxing settings and covering the code base in big batches to enable stricter settings. Yeah, MyPy has like a what is it, Copertura or whatever the fuck. It has like an XML output that you can turn into percentage coverage and then error on. I don't think anyone is. Well, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to find it because there's literally fucking thousands of issues. Yeah, I'm not going through 10 pages of issues. Absolutely not. Although there's a lot fewer here. Cert false makes rest of function not typed. Yeah, that's how unreachability works in MyPy. Ugh. Yeah, oh well. Found the Covertura thing. I'll check it out on my. Nice! Yeah, I've used it before. It's alright. It does what it's supposed to do. For the most part. Alright, what did I name this thing? That. God damn it. My nicely typed out comment now. Actually don't. I need to do what I wrote. Yeah, I think that'll work. Yeah. Is that the Jenkins coverage thing? Yeah, I think Jenkins can read Cobertura reports. Seems gross. Something about this makes me really uncomfortable. But I guess I can try it on Sentry Code and see if it improves things. And I guess this sort of makes explicit what already happens at the model scope, so that makes me feel less bad about it. Okay, next song. I think this is not the one that it's the one that looped. All right, let's see what happens if we try this branch over here. Is that what I called it? Classes enclosure? Or is it class enclosure? You did the right thing. I don't trust it. We're gonna do this instead. Oh, it only changed 2 things, 3, 4 things, 5 things. All right up at the top. That seems fine though. That definitely, I guess, yeah, I guess it works. The cert is never read. This is decorator garbage. Yeah, the decorator is purely for side effects. That's kind of... I could rewrite this function so it doesn't do that. Just info integration. Anyway, if I do reload, wow, a bunch of things went away. Cool. But now there's still 1,400 1,400 dead things in this file. But that's fine. Step in the right direction. What is this? Nothing. Yeah, this, I guess, is just never used. Event permission in Python files. This is going to get too many things because there are other substrings and I don't know how to do extended regexes inside here. You'll get event permission. That's the other one. It's not the one we're looking for. Project event permission. Nope. Build project event permission. Oh, there we go. Oh no, that's just a super call. It's Josh running PyUpgrade. Cool. Still the other one. Okay, somebody changed the class here. But why? No, this is just another code formatter. It's just, oh, yep, black. God damn it. This has been a really long time. Oh, here we go. Event details endpoint. Remove event details endpoint. The endpoint isn't documented or used by the Sentry web applications. In 2019. So this code has been done for 6 years. Amazing. But anyway, I'm hopefully gonna get this down to something that's more manageable, and then add it to CI so that people actually deal with their dead code. But a lot of this is just fucking magic shit. A lot of these are just magic classes, like GPU context type. Where does that get referenced? I don't know. It's just an at context type. Now, what does at context type do? Oh, it sets it into this global dictionary, which then gets referenced somehow by a string. Wait, why is the type var? That's not how this works. How this works? Oh, context type T. What are you? Oh, it's just T to T. Okay, I probably wrote that line of code. It probably blames to me. Still. This is all just magic. Magic side effect garbage. Emma, hello, hello. Excuse me, Mr. Stream, but it's a Saturday. I know. Why do I have the work open? The reason I have the work open is because we're working on dead code tool, and my code doesn't have a bunch of dead code, but work does. So, okay, Emma, you're gonna have to put your well, you don't have to. You could put your dead chat name into the bot if you want your old chat plot history to show up. Kegs had just added theirs. But if you add to this little mapping here, then your chat plot will go back to the origin of time. Well, the origin of when I started getting logs. Bonjour, le streamer, mon tip. Oh, alright. This is a bad solution to an ugly problem, but we're gonna call it good enough. Yeah, I don't think Buildots is. I don't think you've changed your name. This. Damn! Look at this. Look at this plot. Look at this graph. I do think it would be very fun to make like an emo cover of Nickelback's photograph. I think it could be really. I think it could be really fun. Okay, did I merge it? Is there a way to customize the data color? No, but you can put 2 people on the plot and then you get different colors. I think. Let's see. Is that how this works? Oh, yeah, you get a comparison plot. So you can see Kegsit's hole right here. Look, now you got 2 colors. Counterpoint, it won't be as up and to the right. That's true. That's true. You're clearly winning this one. Yeah, but if we did like chat plot, Marsha, and DDels, and oh, Drunk Time Lord hasn't adjusted theirs either. Everyone's renaming it. Well, we'll do one that's not renamed. Build office. And Kevin. And we'll put Juice on there too, sure. Can only compare 2 users. God damn it. Why didn't I generalize it? Really? Why not? To do handle display name. Yeah. Definitely did not do that. I bet this is a limitation of the graphing thing. We do have a specific thing here. Holy shit, what? I absolutely hate that it lets you write arbitrary fucking JavaScript in this. Okay, anyway, I don't think we're gonna add I don't want to look at whatever nonsense I just looked at. I think the colors are technically configurable, but not. I think I just picked these arbitrarily. So you're ranked 40th with 1 bonking of others. Interesting. Colors is an easy bottleneck to blame. It might be a limitation of the charting library. Actually, what was the chart.js? But I don't think that's the site I'm using. Quickchart.io. I'm actually amazed that I don't need a token for this. Quickchart.io. Will render any chart.js configuration. Terrifying. Terrifying. Scatter. Okay, so the question is, can we put a third data set in here? God, I don't know if that lined up. Hopefully it did. Oh, you can put other colors in here. Why do your dots not? Oh, because they're at the same positions. Let's change some numbers in here and surely that'll make it. Oh, we could do multiple users. How do you handle ties in bonk rank? I don't know. I don't remember how ties work. User rank by line type. Rank by. We do have some sort of tie calculation. Tied rank. Bot.ranking. Oh boy. You can tell it's hilariously over-engineered. Oh my god, what the fuck? Innertools.group by counts. Yield from enumerate grouped start equals 1. Tide rank takes in a sequence of tuple stir int and returns an iterator of tuple int of tuple int of iterator tuple stir int. Fuck me, what the hell? X! Thank you for the resub at 22 months. I don't know why my notification didn't go off, but I appreciate your resubscription and your continued support. It's good to see you again. What the hell, Streamlabs? Wyatt, no. It showed up on my Twitch dashboard, but not on Streamlabs. That's annoying. Please use type aliases. I don't think that type aliases help this. I also really don't like type aliases. I feel like they make code harder to read in a lot of cases when I just want to know what the fucking type is. Also, I don't even know what this is supposed to represent. Oh, it's rank of add a rank. What are the users and their counts? It's only because you use an editor without an LSP? Well, maybe. It's just simpler this way. User color should be picked as such. Hex hash username mod a million. That's actually kind of I originally, so I've actually spent a lot of time on that too. I see my over-engineered color algorithm. I don't know where it is. Parsed.color. That doesn't sound right because most people don't, not everyone has a color. Maybe this is what handles it? Probably. Oh yeah, here it is. If self.info color, return parse color, otherwise generate a color based on the display name. And gen color. SHA 256 hashes. And then does some fucking math. What the hell? Surely not important. Standard Pointer, hello, how you doing? Okay, did I make a release of the thing that I wanted to do? Oh, don't print. Oh, we got the Fastly interstitial. We did not make a release. Dead minor. Dead. No, bump minor. 2 cancelable statements right in a row. I appreciate that your suggested PyPI project page is PyML. Fastly litter shows for me all the time, no issue. Yeah, it's probably they're like I mean it's like the Cloudflare interstitial. It's probably for bot detection and scraper nonsense, whatever. Wait, cheeseshop.python.org still resolves? Dead miner, the city is so unsafe these days, yeah. I mean, bumping a miner is not that much better. Pork Foo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, this is the other song that loops. Porkfoo says get commit dash amend. Add him some follower named Porkfoo. Yeah, I mean that's kind of the idea behind this. Except you're a commit hook, Porkfoo. You're a commit hook. And you passed. You succeeded. Did I do something? No, you're good. It's just I re-clicked. I re-clicked the little thing so that we could see it again. Now we've seen it for a third time. So I'm a little dashboardy doodad. But the output is based on the GitHub framework that I wrote called precommit. And so it's supposed to simulate that, like, you are fixed double quoted strings, Porkfoo, because you followed. Oh, I guess this doesn't show that it's a, did a commit. It's gonna run the tool. But anyway. Oh, you got a Wolfie emote. I know that channel. Welcome, welcome. All right, what was I doing? Or what am I done doing? Never happened. Been here in years. FYI admin. Oh my god. Someone's throwing the code of conduct at people. The prick. Man, people get pissed off at the smallest fucking thing. Yeah, you can't reopen the issue. Of course. Oh my god. All right. Anyway, yeah, I'll post the link so that you can all understand why someone is being. No, I'm not gonna reply. I don't care. I don't care enough. Broadcaster of this channel, serving you the freshest content. That's so weird. Oh, do you see that from my user click thing? Broadcaster badge. Weird. Anyway, the only other thing that I wanted to look at was we worked on this MyPy thing last week, and I was like, this seems dead in the water, and maybe we can make it only work for generics. I don't know. We might do that, but probably not this stream. We're already 3 hours in. Oh no, I did drop some frames. That sucks. But my dad's actually coming to town, so I'm gonna go hang out with my dad, and that's where I'm set today. We got a lot done actually. Weirdly enough. Oh, AQI is pretty high. Wow, I'm surprised. Anyway, that's gonna wrap us up for today. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Where you can find my thoughts about Python and slowness and why I deleted all my Go projects. Haha, those are my 2 most recent popular videos. Shit, I need to record because I don't have any videos for next week, so I gotta do that. Also join the Discord, that's where I announce streams, and you can hang out and have a good time and chat and such. But yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. I'll see you in the next stream. Oh, also they go up on YouTube after, so if you missed any part of the stream, you can go to @anthonywritescode-vods, and that's where my old streams will show up. So go watch those there. I got the thumbnail is beer, and then the preview is me drinking wine. Perfect, the best. But yeah, go subscribe here because I'm trying to get the channel monetized. I'm real close, but not quite there yet. All right, have a good one, chat. Peace.